1. Identify pipes to be fitted with the Screed Buddy system. 2. Set up leveling device to finished floor level, FFL. 3. Take 5 mm from your FFL. 4. Carefully mark each pipe to be fitted with a Screed Buddy system. It is recommended to cut the pipe prior to installing damp-proof membrane and mesh. This will allow for easier installation and a safer working system. 5. Using a handsaw or grinder, cut the pipe accurately and level. 6. Select the correct size Screed Buddy to suit the pipe size. It is also recommended fitting the correct Screed Buddy to the pipes after the mesh is installed to avoid tearing or cutting of the Screed Buddy. 7. Fit the Screed Buddy, making sure it's firmly pushed down to the top of the pipe. 8. Using duct tape or a zip tie, secure the Screed Buddy in place. 9. Most importantly, place the leveling device on top of the Screed Buddy, ensuring that it is at FFL and no more than 5 mm below FFL. The Screed Buddy is now correctly installed and ready for use. This process takes approximately 30 minutes to fit the Screed Buddy system to an average 2-bathroom house requiring 12 units.